Hello everyone. Tomorrow we will celebrate the Deutsche Marine, Germany's modern, technologically advanced naval force. Its democratic traditions trace back to June 14, 1848, when the first German parliament voted to establish a fleet. Since then, the German Navy has earned respect through professionalism, NATO partnership, and peacekeeping missions worldwide. In honor of this event, Modern Warships has added a special camouflage dedicated to the German Navy. It is now available for purchase in the store for 500 gold.